Today we discuss some real life problems using exponential function. Here is a question. Look at this question. Population in a town is given by the exponential function P equals 24,000 multiplied by e to the power 0.05t, where t in years. So this function gives the population after t years. So first question is, what is the current population? What is the population right now? If we start from here. So if the current population means we assume t as 0. When t becomes 0 here, 24,000 multiplied by e. When t is 0, this becomes 0.05 multiplied by 0. And e to the power 0 will be 1. So the current population is 24,000. Or we can say that this number 24,000 will be always the starting value. So if you consider the current population means the starting value, 24,000 is the value right now when t equal to 0. So the answer for the current population will be t equals the population equal to 24,000. Now look at the second part. Find the population after 5 years. The 5 years means, t means the years, number of years. So here the value of t will be 5. And we are looking for find the population, find p, when t equal to 5. So you directly substitute the value of t here. So we will get the equation as p equal to 24,000 multiplied by e to the power 0.05 multiplied by the place of t value is 5. So this is the population after 5 years. Let's see the value of this. 24,000 multiplied by e to the power 0.05 multiplied by 5. The answer we can get from the calculator is 30,816.61. So we can round it as 30,870, because this is the number of people. So we cannot make it in a decimal or a fraction here. So we will round it as 30,870 here. So this is the population after 5 years. Now, when we go to the C, part C, here the question is, how many years will it take the population to reach 32,000? So the question here is, how many years? That means we are looking for t. How many years it will take the population to reach 32,000? Now the population, we know now the population is 24,000. After how many years it reaches 32,000? That means we need to find out t, and we know the final value. The last value is 32,000 and the starting value is 24,000. So 24,000 is the starting value, and after how many years it becomes 32,000. So what is t? How many years it becomes? So in the in the function, we have here t, we have here p, the population. We know the population, the last value is 32,000. the last value is 32,000. Definitely the current value, the initial value will be 24,000. And we are looking for T here. So we can substitute 32,000 here in place of P, because we know P what happens after T years, which is equals 24,000 multiplied by e raised to 0.05 T. And from here we need to look for what is T here. To solve this exponential equation, we need to simplify this. In the beginning we will divide this by 24,000 to remove the 24,000 from there. First we divide by 24,000. So we will get 32,000 divided by 24,000, that is 1.33. This cancel. So you will get e raised to 0.05 multiplied by t. Look at this. This is an exponential equation. You know the variable is as a power. The base is e. We discussed the last slides. To find the value of t, we need to apply ln on both sides. Because this is an exponential equation with the power t and the base is e, that's we are applying ln on both sides. So now ln 1.33 equals, we know that by the laws of logarithms, this will be 0.05 t multiplied by ln e. So by the laws of logarithm, this 0.05 t will be multiplied here, then ln e here. But we know that ln e, the value is 1. So we reach ln 1.33 equal to 0.05 t. Now finally we need to find out t by dividing with 0.05 on either side. We want to remove this 0.05 by dividing by 0.05 on either side. So this will be cancelled. And we reach the answer. Answer for t equal to ln 1.33 divided by 0.05. Use your calculator to find it. ln 1.33 divided by 0.05. This is 5.70. 5.70. That means after 5.70 years, that means about 6 years, it will take to reach 32,000. So you understand what we did here. So the value of t is 5.7. That means after 5.7 years or after 6 years, it will reach 32,000 here. And the same question can be asked in a different way. For example, the question will be asking, after how many years will it take the population to reach double? Double means, double means 2 times. 2 times of what? 2 times of the current population. 2 times of the current population. So when now it is 24,000, and after how many years is going to be 2 times? We know 2 times of current value is 2 times of 24,000, that is 48,000 here. So this is a similar question what we did before. Instead of this similar question, instead of the value of p, the last value will be 48,000. So in place of p we can write it as 48,000 equal to 24,000 multiplied by e raised to 0.05 t. Get here again, It starts from 24,000 and after how many years it become double. Double means 48,000. Double of 24,000. What is T after how many years? This is our question. So similarly, we proceed the steps what we did before. First you have to remove this 24,000, so divide by 24,000 in the beginning, in either side, because we are solving for T. So this will be cancelled. 48,000 divided by 24,000, it's double. So the value here it will be 2, because 48,000 divided by 24,000. And the right side is equal to e raised to 0.05t. We know using the laws of logarithms, we need to bring the exponential function to be solved by applying ln on both sides. So we apply ln on both sides, ln here and ln here, because it's an exponential function with the base e. That's why we are applying ln here. So ln2 is, this is going to be multiplied here. So this is going to be 0.05t multiplied by ln e. As we discussed before, ln e becomes 1. So the equation becomes ln2 equal to 0.05t, and we need the value of t, so you divide by 0.051 either side. You calculate what is value of ln2 by 0.05 using your calculator. If you divide ln2 divided by 0.05, you get the answer as 13.9. 13.9 as the value of t. That means approximately 14 years. So here the question, this base current value is 24,000, is going to double after how many years? 13.9 years, that is approximately 14 years. So the population will double after 14 years. Okay.